I am Dibyajyoti Panda, lecturer in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Govt Polytechnic, Sonepur. In this video lecture, I am going to teach you about strength of transverse fillet weld. And there are basically two types of transverse fillet weld. First one is single transverse fillet weld. Single transverse fillet weld. So why this is single transverse fillet weld? Because only one side of the joint we are going to weld. So before designing, the first consideration is failure, where the failure actually taking place. So based upon that particular section, we are going to design any engineering material, any engineering machine or anything. Okay, so we consider that the failure is taken place at the throat section, which is nothing but the intersection of the weld legs. This one is the weld legs and the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC, and we consider this triangle ABC as a right angle triangle, and which is nothing but the section of the weld. So in triangle ABC, these two sides are weld leg, and the weld leg are considered to be having same length, so that we get this angle and this angle as 45 degree each. And the throat is the distance between, perpendicular distance between the intersection of the weld leg and the hypotenuse, and this one is the throat. So from sine formula we can calculate the length of the throat, that is T equal to S sine 45 degree, which is nothing but 0.707 as T. So here we have got the throat thickness. So why we are calculating the throat thickness? Because this is the strength, and to calculate this strength we need to calculate the area. Okay, so this area need the throat thickness. Then let's calculate the area of the throat. Area of the throat, A equal to throat thickness into the length of the weld, then 0.707 S into L, and this is the area of the throat section. Let sigma T be the allowable tensile stress that this particular single transverse welded joint is going to sustain. So we know stress is nothing but resisting force per area. So P by throat area, which is nothing but 0.707 SL. So sigma T tensile stress is P by 0.707 SL, and then we get the strength, that our M. So P equal to 0.707 SL sigma T. So the strength of the single transverse fillet weld is 0.707 SL sigma T. Then the another type of transverse fillet weld is double transverse fillet weld. Double transverse fillet weld, and this is the diagrammatic representation of double transverse fillet weld. In double transverse fillet weld, the welding is going to take place at both sides. This side welded and this side is also welded. So this one is double transverse fillet weld. So in single transverse fillet weld, we know the strength is P equal to 0.707 SL sigma T. And see here the area coming twice. So we need to just multiply 2 in this formula of strength of single transverse fillet weld. So P dex equal to 2 into 0.707 SL sigma T, or the strength of double transverse fillet weld is 1.414 SL sigma T. So this one is P dex, or P dex. So in this video, I have shown you the strength of single transverse fillet weld and double transverse fillet weld. I hope you understand. Thank you.